So, paano iluto? Aside from soup, ito siya guys. Lagyan ng soup with, coconut milk, di ba? Or pwede din siya mapreto for breakfast. Ang gusto ko dito is i-grill siya dahil parang we went to one of the Mediterranean restaurant tapos may grill sila na ganito. Ay, naku, pabalik-balik ako. Napakasarap niya. Lutuin natin ito ngayon, si squash. Butter squash. So, this is a butter squash. Ayan si butter squash. Lutuin natin mamayang hapon. So, what do you think of this, guys? Gawa ko ito ngayon. Naka-bling na apron ko. Walang ginawa. So, what I did, nilagyan ko siya ng mga butones. Ayan, gumanda siyang lalo. Maganda siya. This is a Kate Spade Apron. Gumanda siyang lalo. It's a nice, very pretty apron. But then I just add some bling. What do you think? Nice, diba? Ayan, so wala kayong magawa. Kung ano na lang maisip. So that's good na may maisip ako na, lagyan ko kaya yan ang butones para lalong gumanda, diba? So I have something to do. At meron din akong pang-upload to share with you guys. So before I leave, please subscribe to my channel and thank you very much. Sorry for the noise, somebody's do the mowing next door. So, this is from Kate Spade. So, ayan siya. This is a Kate Spade. And napakaganda dahil, you see, look at that in the back. There is a measurement written in the back. So, 1 gallon, 1 quart, 1 pint, 1 cup. It's very nice. I like this. So 100% cotton. This is Kate Spade. I like the color. So guys, nabili ko ito siya sa HOMEGOODS. So I like to go HOMEGOODS. It's a nice place to go. But all you have to do there is to dig. I like that digging thing. And it takes time to look for something. And it's really fun digging things, you know. My measurement in the back. This is nice. So I don't think we need bling for this. I'll just iron it. Or maybe I need. I'll put it here. Okay, so we'll start blingin. Yes, start blingin. So this is a Kate Spade apron, guys. Napakaganda dahil she wrote something in the back. Measuring thingy. So for 1 gallon, 4 quarts, 8 pints, 16 cups, 128 ounces, or 38 liters. Ayan. For a quart, 2 pints, 2 cups. Yeah. Lace. Oh, you see? Napakadali niyang i-adjust. Hindi yung iikot-ikot mo pa dito, masakit sa liig, di ba? So ito siya, maganda ang style niya, you see? Para mas pasok lang ano niya. Ayan, we'll do that para madali siyang lagyan ng butones. So I want the butones dito. O di ba? Lalo siyang gumanda. Oh, I would like to have a buttons na i-dikit natin dito. So, ang gagawin natin, hindi yung no, not the glue this time, guys. Ito ang siguro the nearest color is that. So, ayan si yellow ang ilagay natin sa mga butones. Guys, malapit na nating natapos ang ating blinging. You see that? It's so pretty. Oh, wow. So, I started this pink going there. So, ngayon, I start for this one going back. So, I need that. Naku ba yan siya? Parang ito yata. Napakaganda na niya. Oh, you see? So, ito ay Kate Spade, guys. Maganda ang kulay niya, yellow. And then, I will just put some bling. Dahil alam mo na, kung mag-YouTube tayo, maganda pag maraming mga bling-bling, di ba? And then, magawa ko rin siyang content. It's locked down, so may content na ako. May content na akong isa. Di ba? Merong blue doon, pero kinuha ko si yellow. I don't know, for some reason, gusto ko yung yellow. Very attractive siya, very light, very bright. So, next time, after the lockdown, guys, I might go there, HOMEGOODS again, and then grab some of this. Kung meron pa. So, I just bought this at HOMEGOODS. My favorite place to be. Ayan. Very nice. So, green. Wow, ano ito? Ooh. So red. Red and purple. After that, red and purple. So, parang lapitan ko yata ito sila. Sana medyo malayo-layo. Yan, napakaganda na niya. And then last, purple. Dito si purple. Yan. Last is the purple. So, kumusta kayo dyan guys sa Pilipinas? Kami dito lockdown pa rin. I'm chatting with my best friend this morning. Miss Palma, Miss Malu, Miss Vanlu. Hello, Vanlo. So today is the third day of my my diet challenge. So yung diet challenge ko guys, hindi yun na copy ko sa book. I just challenge myself and I can eat whatever I want as long as my calorie count is counted. Ayun bang I count everything na mapasok sa bunganga ko. All the food I intake, I count the calorie, I can eat cookie, I can eat whatever, basta, i-count ko siya. Ang total ng ko is 1,200 something. Almost 3. So I just round off to 1,300 guys. So yeah, so pretty. Look at that. Isn't it beautiful? So kung lagyan natin dyan ng mga butig-butig pa. Let's see. Just sample guys. Ayan. Oh, meron palang orange. Maganda siguro or just plain like that. That's pretty. Or over the na siya. Ayan na lang. Para hindi siya over. Isn't it pretty beautiful? That is so beautiful. Okay, so this is my Kate Spade. Maganda si Kate Spade dahil you can adjust like this. You just pull it. Ayan. Maganda ang adjustment ni Kate Spade. So, ayan siya. You can pull it like that. Mahaba siya and I like this one dahil may pocket, Kung magmadali ka, you put your telephone here, you see, look at that. Piki nga. So, siguro, I still need more because I'm short, guys. Well, it's okay. Ayan na siya. Ito, nilagay ko na bling. May mga buttons sa pocket. So, ayan siya. Kate Spade na apron ko. So, bago siya. This is new and the black one is new. And then, nothing to do. Lagyan na lang ng mga beads or buttons para something to do during lockdown. Diba maganda siya?